Good morning, children. How are you all? Yes, are you fine? Very good. So, children, after so many days we are meeting, no? So many days. Yes or no? बहुत दिन बाद मिलते हैं ना? So, आज हम पढ़ेंगे vowel letter O. किसके बारे में? We will study about vowel letter O. We have studied about vowel letter A, E, I. Okay, so in today's class we will study about vowel letter O. So what's the sound of O, children? What's the sound of O? O. O. What's the sound of O? O. Okay, so let us begin the words made by vowel letter O. vowel letter O से बने हुए words सीखेंगे. ठीक है, so चलिए शुरू करते. Okay, so start. So first of all, children, all of you open your textbook and open page number 2424. Okay, now see what's the picture this given here. It is fox. What is fox? So what's the spelling of fox, children? F-O-X, fox. F for O-O-X, F-O-X, fox. Say all of you, F-O-X, fox. Then what is this? Very good, box. B-O-X, box. B-O-X, box. Repeat with me, okay? Next, O-X, ox. O-X, ox. Next line, C-O-T, cot. What is this? C-O-T, cot. Next, D-O-T, dot. D-O-T, dot. P-O-T, pot. P-O-T, pot. H-O-T, hot. H-O-T, hot. D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. H-O-G, hog. H-O-G, hog. J-O-G, jog. J-O-G, jog. L-O-G, log. L-O-G, log. C-O-P, cop. C-O-P, cop. M-O-P, mop. M-O-P, mop. T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. L-O-P, lop. L-O-P, lop. B-O-W, bow. B-O-W, bow. C-O-W, cow. C-O-W, cow. So children, we have studied so many words with O. Yes or no? So once again, repeat with me. Fox, box. See the pictures, okay? ये pictures देखिए क्या क्या है. Fox, box, ox, cot, dot, pot, hot, dog, hog, jog, log, cop, mop, top, lop, bow, cow. So understood, children? So now let us move to the exercise part. So see here in this page number 25, you have to circle the rhyming words. So what is rhyming words, children? we have already learned this in vowel letter A. I think so, A. So what is rhyming words? Rhyming words means जो सुनने में एक जैसा लगते हो. ओके, जो सुनने में एक ही जैसा लगते हो. अभी फॉर एग्जाम्पल इधर देखिए, in this page, see here example, pot hot. Pot hot एक ही जैसा लगते हैं ना सुनने. Pot hot. So that means this is rhyming words. Rhyming words means वो words जो सुनने में एक जैसा लगते हो. See, box ox. Box ox. Pot hot. Okay. Cot dot. Cot dot. तो इसी तरह जो राइमिंग वर्ड्स है ये आपको इसमें से ढूंढकर उसको सर्कल करना है. अंडरस्टूड? सो लेट अस बिगिन फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट वन. COT cot, POT pot, CAP cap, PEG peg. So say these 4 words together: cot, pot, cap, peg. So tell me which are the rhyming words in this group. Which words seem to be same? सुनने में सेम वॉइस आता है आपको. कॉट, पॉट, कैप, पेग. वेरी गुड. कॉट, पॉट. सर्कल दोज वर्ड्स. कॉट, पॉट. नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट वन चिल्ड्रेन. PIG pig, DOG dog, HOG hog, DOT dog. So say once again: pig, dog, hog, dot. Pig, dog, hog, dot. Very good. The words dog, hog, dog, hog. This seems to be rhyming words. Okay. Now see the next one. JUG jug, JUG jug, BAT bat, COP cop, TOP top. Say once more: jug, bat, cop, top. Jug, bat, cop, top. Cop, top. Yes, this seems to be same. So circle those words: cop, top, cop, top, cop, top. Next, COW cow, PEN pen, ZIP zip, BOW bow. So say once again: cow, pen, zip, bow. Cow, pen, zip, bow. Very good. Cow, bow. Circle. One more thing children, for identifying these rhyming words. ये rhyming words पता कैसे करते हो? एक तो sounds मैम बोली. Next is see the letters in those words. Words में letter देखिए, center और last letter same रहेंगी, सिर्फ first letter change होगा. See in the first one children, cot, pot, cot, pot. Last के 2 letters जो है इसमें भी O है, इसमें भी O है, and here it is T and again here it is T. So OT, here also OT. It is same. Only the first letter, that is C. In this C and this P, these 2 letters are different. Understood? ये 2 letters ही change है, बस सेकंड और थर्ड लेटर देखिए दोनों में सेम है. तो ऐसा भी आप पता कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. अब दूसरे वाले देखिए यहाँ पे डॉग, हॉग. डॉग, हॉग. इसमें देखिए कौन कौन से लेटर? O G, O G, O G, O G. देखिए सेम है ना. तो फर्स्ट लेटर कौन से है? यहाँ पे D है, यहाँ पे H है. अंडरस्टूड? नेक्स्ट थर्ड OP, OP. सेकंड और थर्ड देखिए OP और यहाँ पे देखिए OP. खाली फर्स्ट लेटर चेंज हुआ है. ओके. सो हियर C and here T. And now in this also see here children, OW, OW. So which letters are different? In this C and this B. Understood? Now see the last one children. BOX box, OX ox, LOG log, GUN gun. Say once again: box, ox, log, gun. Box, ox, log, gun. So yes, the words are box, ऑक्स, बॉक्स, ऑक्स, एक ही जैसे लगते हैं ना सुनने, बॉक्स, ऑक्स, बॉक्स, ऑक्स. So we got how many words, children? We got 5 rhyming words in each set. What are they? The first one is cot, pot, cot, pot. ठीक है, cot देखिए किसको बोलते, चारपाई तरह. ठीक है, cot, pot. Next, dog, hog, dog, hog, cop, top, cop, top. Next, cow, bow, cow, bow, box, ox, box, ox. Okay, so I hope you all understood this, children. Now complete this in your textbook, page number 25. Okay, and send me picture of this page. Okay, so children, I hope you all understood well. And before ending our class, I want to know that are you doing with your cursive, children? Cursive patterns which ma'am gave. Okay, fine. So continue with that, and after that we will learn how to write in cursive letter. Okay, so thank you for today's class. So stay safe. Bye.